Hi, if you're using Zoho Forms to create a form to bring leads and contacts to your Zoho CRM, but in your Zoho CRM you have some required fields and you don't know how to handle them because you don't want them in your form, this video is for you. I will explain step by step how to manage those fields. I'm going to use this simple form in Zoho Forms to show you how to deal with the required fields in the Zoho CRM. As you can see, this form is basically name, company, email, and we are adding here the lead source because as you can see here in the Zoho CRM, it's a required field. First, last name, email, and company are okay. We need those to be in the form, but at the lead source, we don't need to have it there. We don't want the user, the lead or the contact to add any information here. But we need to have this field here. What do you do? Let's first, this is the last one. I normally like to move to the top and click here in properties. Inside of properties, you're going to select this choice here. When we select here, it's going to pre-populate with Zoho Forms, and I'm going to show you in the CRM as well. And you don't need to add all the other options here, only the one that you would like to pre-populate. And second thing, you go and click Hide Field. As you can see, it shows here the little I that it's hidden. It won't show in the form. It shows in here in the field the Zoho form, that is the data that's going to be pre-populating. If we go to the Zoho CRM here, we have a lead source. Go to Edit Properties. We can see that we have the Zoho form as an option. Okay. And you can change the name. I just use the Zoho form for now. When we move to the integrations here to the top in Zoho Forms, you can see all the fields are integrated in Connect. I have another video that I talk about those. I'm not going to mention anything about the extra information in the connection, in the integration. Now let's go and check the form. Let's click here, Access Form, top right. Let's put Alex Vaz Testing Form, Company CSI Inc. Email, this test email, and we click Submit. You see, they didn't have the lead source. If we go here to the CRM, let's go back to the leads. You have the new record that has been just created. If we click in the record, you see that you have the lead source here, Zoho form. Okay, that's the way to hide, to bring like a field that is required in the Zoho CRM to a Zoho form without creating any issue for someone who is filling out the form. If you have any questions, contact us. It would be a pleasure to give you more information.
If you found this video helpful, be sure to like it and leave us a comment. You can also subscribe to our channel and click the bell next to the subscribe button to be notified of new videos. If you want to learn more about Zoho or would like help with anything Zoho related, head on over to our website at zcrmhelp.com to connect with us. Thanks for watching.